Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. As you guys can see, the title is a collective haul. Your girl has been shopping too much unnecessarily but I'm here to show you guys some collective hauls. I bought some things from Zara, I bought some Jlux Label, ASOS, and I also got something from Homebody. It is an Instagram website, so if you want to see everything that I got, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. But before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell on so you'll be notified every time your girl drop a video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social platforms, Instagram, TikTok. So guys, let's get into this. Okay guys, we are going to start with Jlux Label. I went over there and I copied 3 dresses. They are this one right over here, and this one is the same thing but different color. One in an orange and one in like a brown tan. So we're going to start with this one. You guys will definitely see the video over here on me. So this nice beautiful dress, such a good quality. It is a sweater material, so you definitely be warm with this weather. It does come with its own chain or necklace already, so you won't need to put anything on. I'm not sure, I think this one is, I'm gonna put the picture up because I'm not sure how to wear this. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be on the back, the necklace, or it's supposed to be in front, okay? Because the way they like already put it on here, kind of confusing a little bit, but I'm going to wear it like this, put it in front. And I love the fact that it's layered, really cute. Jlux Label, if you guys don't know them, they are a little bit steep in price, but they are very, very good quality enough. Or some of them are affordable. I really like it. It has this nice opening right here on the side, and it also have like a brown mesh situation going all the way down. It does come with a slit also at the back, which will be comfortable for you to walk in. I love all right, also at Jlux Label, I told you guys I got this one. They are the same style and everything. It is open at the back. They are backless. You guys see that it's a razor cut right over here. You guys will see both of them on me. Orange, really cute. Even the tan one, even this one that is like a brown tan one, is really nice. Stay on the body, give you a good shape, really nice. I also got this in a size what size that? I also got this in a size medium. I have a slit right here at the back. I love me things that is comfortable for you to walk in. So yeah, those are the 3 things that I got from Jlux Label. Okay guys, I did get a lot of things from ASOS. You guys have already seen a couple of dresses that I got from ASOS. The ones that I put in my outfit idea for 31st. I'll definitely link it up here if you guys want more of those dresses. I will link the the video up here. You guys will also see a quick video right here on the dresses that I got from them. But I went ahead and I ordered these 2 top right here from them also. Both of them are with sets, but because I couldn't get my bottom in my size, so I didn't get the bottom. So it is this nice beautiful shimmery, glittery, sparkly crop top right over here. I freaking love this. Like, y'all see how much stretch it got right here on the waist area, and on the middle part also. It's really comfortable on the body. Does come right here with a zipper at the back. I just feel like when you wear this on an occasion with a nice pants, with a nice skirt, this will be the talk of the town on any occasion. This will be a very cute thing to wear. I got this in a US 8 and I freaking love this. If you've been with me for a while, you will know I say up here a lot that I love a jacquard, nice beautiful jacquard material, because I feel like jacquard is very classic to me. So I got this top right over here. Also, it is a crop top, black and like a yellow gold situation, and then it comes with those silver crystal right here on the boob area. A nice exaggerated sleeve, puffy and all. The wrist right here is has an elastic on it also. I also got this in a size medium. Okay guys, Zara is where my money has been going to lately. Okay, I don't understand. It's been a long years that I shop at Zara, But lately, I've been shopping there unnecessary. So here I got a couple of jewelries from them, and I got a couple of outfits from them. So the first outfit I'm going to show you guys, it is this nice sweater right over here, really thick, gonna keep you warm. You could layer this, a nice shirt with a collar shirt would definitely be cute with this one to wear. It is a brown, it is a gray ribbed material shirt, and I got this in a size medium. So it's really cute. This with a nice boots, with a nice jeans or tights, and you are good to go. Okay, y'all, I also got this 2 dress situation, because this kind of thing I can wear a tight under it, and I could wear a boots with it. Is that a regular? I could wear it with a tight, and with my Doc Marten I could also wear it with this, and we are good to go. That's if I want to dress it down, but if I want to dress it up, I'll wear a tie with it with a nice tie-eye boot, and I am good to go. Really cute, really nice. It's just a simple sweater dress situation, and I got both of them in a size small. Whoa, I got them in a size small, but they fit me like a glove. Okay, so really cute. I'll definitely link this up for you guys. You guys even see the way it's made, like the shape alone, like it conforms to your shape. Like this is such a beautiful outfit. Even me with my bum with my butt, I was able to wear this and it hold me well. Like look at that shape of that dress. I also got this sweater right over here. This is very interesting to me because I've never seen a sweater that has an opening right here on the sleeve area. So if you're wearing this and you're in a cold area, just layer it with a nice long sleeve shirt on the inside, and I think you'll be fine. This is really nice too, really cute. I could dress this up also, and I could dress it down with a nice tight and a heel, and I think it would be cute. Like I said, we are in the cold weather anyway. Most of the things we wear right now is sweater. So I was able to get me a couple of them. I got this in a size medium. I'll definitely link everything in the description box if they still have them for you. Okay, that gray shirt that I showed you guys, I also got it in a blue color also. I got it in a size medium the same way. The last outfit from Zara that I'm going to show you guys, it is this. Looks like the other one that I showed you guys, but this is way more different. This is flowy on the body, and it has a little detail line right here, really different from that one. I got this in a size medium also. Really cute, really nice. All right guys, let's talk about the accessories that I got from Zara. The first one is this gold silver bangle right over here. Really cute and really nice. Also got this pair that came together. This is all gold right here, and this is gold and silver. I also went ahead and got this 2 pair right here. The bottom part is thin and the front part is a little bit thicker. They are just regular bangles that you put and clip on your wrist. Okay, y'all, I also got this necklace right here. They do have it also in silver, so if silver is your thing, go ahead and cap it. I kind of that the way that is so different. I never seen none like this. I love, excuse my little nail that came off. So I love the way it's so, like, they just made it so different. And the clip to hold it to your neck is just something here, and you just go ahead and clip it right over there. So freaking cute. Okay, y'all, now we are on to Fancy Homebody. That is the name. They are more like a lounge wear outfit, because you're in the house, you still want to look cute. Though it's warm outside, you still want to look cute. You still want to look, you know, nice, just in case a visitor is coming to visit you. So I went over there and I copped me a couple of things from them. I got this nice little midi dress right over here. The color is good for the weather. Yeah, it does come with buttons right over here. It just hit me by my knee. Very comfortable, really stretchy. The company is really nice, and I love the fact that they have their name at the back of their clothing. I got this in a size medium. It does come with a collar, really nice, comfortable. You took a shower, you're just home chilling, put this on. Because you're home doesn't mean you gotta be looking raggedy. This is 2024. Let's try and get our styling right, even if we're sitting in the house, okay? All right, guys, the next thing that I got from them, it is this beautiful long sleeve maxi dress. This is so freaking cute. I got this in a size small because it does have quite good stretch to it. It is long sleeves. This kind of thing, you can dress it up to go run some errand. You can dress it up to just sit in the house and chill, especially those of us that work from home and have an office and stuff. This one also, they have their name, Fancy Homebody, right at the back of their shirt also. I love it. They are cute, good quality rib material, really, really nice. And the last thing that I got, you guys already seen it also in the video of me telling you guys on what to wear for the 31st, just for the people who just want to chill in the house. It is this sleeveless one right over here. Really cute, really nice. I got this in a size medium. I could have done with the small. They also still have their name at the back. Really good quality also. The color is so nice for the weather. This is not rib, it's more of a sweater material. Really good stretch to it. It fit my body like a glove. Yeah, really cute. I love it. This is from Anifa, and this is their CC mini knit dress in cocoa and silver. I've never shopped on Anifa before. This is my first time, so I don't know how their stuff is going to be. So I'm like, let me order this one gorgeous, beautiful dress from them, and then we can see where it goes. It is this gorgeous dress right here. The silver has some sparkly thingy on it. It does come with a turtleneck. Really freaking cute. It has sleeve, has good stretch to it. What I should have done is gone down a size. What I should have done is gone down a size in this because it is big on me. The waist is very, very big, but there's nothing a good old tailor can do. Help us cinch it in a little bit. It does come with a really kind of high slit for a short dress. On the side right here, it's going to show you a little, you know, your little bum on the side. But if you're a little bit conservative, you could wear tight under with a sock. You could wear stockings, tight stockings on the inside, and you'll be good to go. It's not that serious. But this is such a gorgeous dress. You guys see like the mid area right here? Like it curve all the way in right there. Really cute. Also the same thing at the back. Such a gorgeous dress. I got in a size large. I could have done with a size medium. I just didn't know, this is my first time shopping with them, so I didn't know how it's going to be, and my mind wasn't there that this is a sweater, so I should have gone down the side. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that little haul that I brought for you guys. These are the things I've just been spending my money on lately. All right guys, everything that you guys see will definitely be linked in the description box. So if you're looking for something, if you see something that you like and you want to buy, go ahead and check it out. All right guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.